Hi, I'm Massimo, and thank you for taking time to explore this creative event. I would like to show you today just some of the examples and artifacts that participants left with me after some of the session we did very recently. So let me just change. You will see these are individual drawings. We explore the themes of love and the emotions that go with it. As you can see, people find the collage and they use different media to express what they feel. Every time is different, and you have so many surprises. People have their own style, and then when we spend the time in looking at the meaning of each drawing, the most surprising findings actually will come up. Look at this. This was how emotions break through some of the dark times and find way to the light. This is particularly, I'm very fond of this one. This was a group drawing of 5 people, and we only worked on a single word. There was tree, so this is the top of the tree, and it goes on a roll of paper, very long roll of paper. So we're designing a tree, but it was beautiful without no directions. People just came up. It's a beautiful design without even talking. These are some of the drawings from professional identity courses where people are trying to figure out what the values are and what they want to be. You can see there are also words in this was a river, I believe, and people they found the clarity slowly in this drawing. This is a book of life. When we looked at the roadmap for the following 6 months, again, when you express it visually, it's much richer, and the colors they all have some meanings. This was a roadmap, a life roadmap, trying to figure out what lies ahead in a very poetic language. Look at this: murky, don't take it. Stay for longer, map it, visualize it, share it. So it's not literal, but it's very individual and very individual meaning. The last one among all this is a self-portrait of, I remember this person, so 4 different personal journeys in a single portrait. So on the day we try just to figure out the professional journey that we all come through in our life. So I hope that you have an idea about what this class is all about, and it's about self-expressions and having that visual impact that will reveal so many things that you're unaware of. So thank you for watching, and I hope I can see you in one of my courses. Ciao.